Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Colorado. As refined as it is rugged, this truck is ready for the job site, campsite, or city lights. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, easy lift and lower tailgate, air conditioning, inline 4-cylinder engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com reports it has the size, the features, and the looks necessary to become the dominant truck in the compact class. Just don't mistake it for a midsize. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Hall Automotive. More cars, great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads.